Mabuhay! At this juncture, I am going to present the final topic and the final requirements of the Group 5, which is the capital market efficient. Capital market. Si capital market uh, capital market efficiency refers to the degree to which market prices reflects all available relevant information about the actual value of underlying assets. So, in an efficient market, all information is already incorporated into prices. So, leaving no room to beat the market by identifying undervalued or overvalued securities. Capital market comes in three forms: the weak form,